everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make eringi no karaage. Today, I'm making eringi mushrooms into crispy fries. Very easy and quick to make. You can of course have it as a side, but it's perfect appetizer for beer or wine. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this eringi no karaage, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 4 eringi mushrooms, 3 tablespoons of potato starch or cornstarch, 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce and sake, half a teaspoon each of grated ginger and garlic. And this is optional, but 1 teaspoon of aonori seaweed flakes if you can find it. It's really easy, so it's gonna be another very short video today. Let's make the marinade first. Soy sauce, sake, garlic and ginger. Give it a mix. Then let's cut the eringi into 4 long way. Then into 2 this way. Into the marinade. Mix well. And let it sit for 10 minutes. Left for 10 minutes. As you heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan, it's about half an inch from the bottom of the frying pan. Potato starch, aonori seaweed flakes, and the mushrooms. Only the mushrooms, not with the marinade. Toss with the starch. And fry. The heat is medium to medium high. One to 2 minutes on each side. Take them out and drain. And eringi no karaage is ready to go. When you fry, because of the marinade, you may get the splash of oil, so please be careful. Okay, let's try. Itadakimasu. It's almost meaty, Mushroom is full of umami already, but with the soy sauce marinade, it's even more flavorful. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Eringi no karaage is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. How about ebishio yakisoba here, which will also cover the main. I think I want to have little more protein, so let's have egg soup here and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.